Are you busy right now?
No, I have time. Why?
Could you please help me?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
I'm very thirsty. I need some water.
Oh, of course. One moment, please. Here you go. Is that enough?
Thank you very much. That's very kind of you. Yes, that's enough. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you feel better now?
Yes, much better. You're really very friendly.
Thank you. Would you like to buy some vegetables too?
Yes, why not? The tomatoes look fresh.
Yes, they're from this morning.
Then I'll take 1 kilo of tomatoes and 1 lettuce.
Certainly. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
That'll be $5.
Here you go. And thank you again for the water.
You're very welcome. I'm here if you need help.